We are at 805 South Lincoln Ave. We got everything. You know, buy your cars. You know, we got some Zolly Motors here. They sell really good cars, everything. About $10,000 or cheaper, to tell you the truth. Very nice cars, all looked over by mechanics, all pre-qualified, come with warranties. We've got some over there too, also. So let me talk about this. United Tires and service there for a minute. When we first walk in this place, nice little waiting room here. And then you're gonna be greeted by this lovely young gentleman right here, Mr. Reed, great guy. He'll get you taken care of no matter what you need. There's Karen over there working hard like always. So we come back into the shop here. We got Chevys going on right now. We got some old Corse, some Ford F-150 Triton motors going on. Got all of our equipment that we need on a daily basis to clean as we work. Of course, got your Chrysler buddy Austin over here. Don't worry guys, we do bikes, boats, just short of aviation, so bring it on down.
Everything but a plane.
This is my guy right here, Austin, one of the great good techs that we have here. He's very good at 12 volt. He's working on this fleet vehicle right now, this Dodge Eco Diesel 4-cylinder. So he's got some electrical stuff going on that he's tracking down. We did a lot of work to this thing. What else did we all do to this thing, Austin?
We put a new clock spring in it. We put a new door switch for the driver's side, a new module on the driver's side. We cleaned out the EGR. Now we're looking at the depth system and some of the sensors and trying to figure out what's wrong with them.
Perfect. Sounds fun chasing all this stuff down. Yeah, very nice. Oh, gotta love the electrical. Yeah, everybody knows about that if you're a true mechanic. But yes, we have a big yard, plenty of storage for your bigger vehicles. Full 360 of the shop. You guys might have known us as the property of Big D's brokers there for a while, but got the old car in the back, the Fiat. But yes, plenty of room, plenty of work to do. Yes, give us a call. Services. We do tires, engine swaps. Like I said, everything just short of aviation, so we can take care of you. Give us a call, guys.